Blood circulation is important because it delivers oxygen and nutrients to cells, removes waste products, regulates body temperature, supports the immune system, and maintains overall health and function of organs and tissues. If you are experiencing persistent circulation issues, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment plan. Poor blood circulation in the extremities may be caused by various underlying conditions, and addressing the root cause is essential for effective management. Here are some general tips to improve circulation. 1. Stay physically active. Regular exercise, especially cardiovascular activities like walking, swimming, or biking, can help improve blood flow and overall circulation. 2. Avoid prolonged sitting or standing. If your job involves sitting for extended periods, try to take breaks and move around every hour. If you stand a lot, shift your weight between legs and take short sitting breaks when possible. 3. Maintain a healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Limit your intake of saturated fats, refined sugars, and processed foods. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain adequate blood volume and prevent dehydration, which can exacerbate circulation issues. 5. Quit smoking. Smoking can constrict blood vessels and worsen circulation problems. If you smoke, consider seeking professional help to quit. 6. Manage stress. Chronic stress can impact circulation. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help reduce stress levels. 7. Keep warm. In cold weather, wear warm clothing, especially on your hands and feet, to maintain proper circulation. 8. Avoid tight clothing. Wearing tight socks, shoes, or gloves can impede blood flow, so choose comfortable, well-fitting clothing. 9. Elevate your legs. If you experience swelling in your feet, elevate them while sitting to promote blood flow back to the heart. 10. Compression therapy. In some cases, your doctor may recommend compression stockings or gloves to help improve circulation in the extremities. 11. Medication and medical interventions. Depending on the underlying cause of poor circulation, your doctor may prescribe medications or suggest medical procedures to address the issue. Remember, these are general suggestions and may not be suitable for everyone. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the specific cause of your poor blood circulation and develop an appropriate treatment plan tailored to your needs.